CleanAIR introduces UniMask, a multi-purpose protective face shield providing the highest comfort and safety. In combination with a PAPR unit or compressed air, offers the highest respiratory protection. UniMask is suitable for many kinds of grinding and other surface finishing operations and heavy-duty maintenance. Thanks to optional accessories, it is also excellent for painting and other jobs with a risk of contamination. The UniMask protective shield is supplied with a 2-point or 5-point head harness. You will also find a user manual in your language in the package. Airflow adjustment. The intensity of the airflow can be regulated with 2 controls at the bottom of the UniMask. Use the front control to adjust the airflow to the visor. The rear regulator adjusts the airflow in the face area. Visor replacement. Several variants of easily replaceable visors are available for the UniMask protective shield, from darkened, yellow to cylindrical, for which a protective foil can be used. Unlock the visor locks on both sides and remove the visor. When inserting the visor, insert the line on the visor into the slot on the shield. Press the visor and secure it again. When using a cylindrical visor, you can use a protective foil. Insert the cylindrical visor in the standard way and attach the foil to the protrusions on the sides of the visor. Stretch the foil over the visor and secure the foil on the other side as well. All visors for the UniMask protective shield are compatible with the Omnira and Omnira Combi. Changing the face seal. Multiple types of face masks are available for the UniMask face shield, depending on the type of material or color. Remove the visor to make it easier to change the mask. Grab the face seal in the bottom by the plastic part and pull the face seal out. Attach the face seal to the frame according to the arrows on the sides of the frame and the face seal. Then click firmly around the entire perimeter. After replacing the face mask, put the visor back on. Putting UniMask on the helmet. A 2-point head harness is intended for the use of the UniMask with a helmet. Put the UniMask on your face and pull the head harness over the helmet. Replacement of the head harness. Remove the face seal from the UniMask. To remove the 2-point head harness, push the strap outwards to release the red pins. After removing the pins, pull out the strap. Thread the 5-point head harness into the upper holes in the same way and secure it with red pins. After securing the top straps, place the face seal on the frame. Thread the hook on the top strap of the 5-point system into the fabric eye at the top of the face seal. Slide the plastic part with the 2 lower straps through the groove onto the plastic protrusion in the lower part of the face seal. Snap both sides on the clamping system, then put the visor back on. Hose connection. Push the hose quick lock system onto the UniMask connector and connect the hose with a simple click. Putting on a protective hood. Protective hoods are available for the UniMask. Short disposable, long disposable, and long made of anti-static washable material with ripstop treatment. The protective hood can be put on if you have UniMask on your head. Pull the protective hood over your head with the UniMask. Snap the hood frame into the top and bottom of the UniMask. Then snap the frame on the sides where the visor lock is. UniMask can be taken off and put on together with the protective hood. CleanAIR. Work hard, breathe easy.